Hello and welcome to iSCSI video. Here we will create an iSCSI data store. Okay, I will go to FreeNAS, go to storage, pools. Here in my pool, I will create uh, ZVol is like partition in our Windows. Okay, create ZVol. I will name it ZVol1. Okay. Uh, Here the size from the pool I will create here like 15 giga. Okay, save. As we can see here, the available space in the pool 1 it created like for 3.66 gig. Okay, for ZVol here as we can see. Okay, after that I will go to sharing iSCSI. Here the iSCSI name I will copy it because I will need it in the server. Okay, I will go to extend, add. Here I will give it the one. The device, the type is device because I create a ZVol. Okay, I will let it default save. As we can see here, I create an XT. Okay, I will go to portals, add portal. Okay, portal all IPs uh, I will allow it to access the uh, iSCSI initiators. The initiator is the servers that will access the file, the ZVol through the iSCSI. Okay, the initiator and all initiators. Okay, save. Uh, the target, I will add the target. I will name it 1. Okay, and the portal ID 1. Okay, save. This is the target from the portals. Okay, associated targets. I will add the associated target 1. Okay, extend save. Okay, as we can see here, we have the target 1. It will access by the ESX, VMware ESX. Okay, I will click on the ESX. I will go to adapters. I will here configure iSCSI. Okay, I will enable iSCSI here. Okay, Control V. The alias, the name. Okay, here the target is the dynamic target 192.168.1.124. Okay, the free NAS IP save. Okay, as we can see here, I will go to data store, new data store. I will choose an FS data store. Next. Okay, there is no devices. I will go to adapter. Okay, refresh. As we can see here, the adapter is added to our um, adapters here. So storage adapters. Okay, I will rescan. I will go to new NFS. Next. Okay, no devices. I will go to adapter and configure iSCSI on it. Okay. I will add the static target. Okay. Control V. The name 192.168.1.124. Save. Okay. I will go to new iSCSI. New data store. Sorry. Oops. There is no data store. I will refresh and rescan. Okay. A new data store. FS. Console. Data rescan. I will go to look. Maybe because my lab is very slow. As we can see here, 192.168.1.124. Okay, 68.1.124. Okay, the name. Okay, I will go to the extend here, target, general configuration. Okay, the same name, save configuration. I will go to X. Please, okay. I will reboot the server. Maybe because my lab is very slow. Okay, I will pause the video until rebooting. Okay, after I reboot the um, the host, okay, uh, I will create a new data store, create VMFS data store. Next, as we can see here, the iSCSI. I will create the iSCSI here. This is I iSCSI data store. Okay. Next, here I will create format the disk, as you can see here, the disk here with NFS data uh, file system. Okay. Next, finish. Yes. Okay. As we can see here, I can browse the data store. Okay. This is the iSCSI um, protocol and how I can create data store with iSCSI. Okay, thank you. I will see you in the next video.